Alright, so you can see that these are supposed to blink. You can see the red and the green blinking, and the blue I hooked up with reverse polarity, and there's a little LM358. All this is surface mount on the back, as well as a small transistor. So I think I blew out one of those. And I was looking on eBay, and I found LM358s, 10 of them for like $1.15 or something. So I bought it. I'm going to see if that fixes it. If not, I've got some surface mount transistors. We'll give that a shot too. But let's see what we can do. Right, I apologize. I realize my desk is an absolute disaster here. I'm going to use some of this fast chip. So the first part of this video here, I'm just removing the existing LM358. I get that off the board, and then I start preparing to put the new chip on using that fast chip. That stuff is great. So I get it off here. You can see this time around I'm using paste instead of soldering each of the tabs. Goes through. There's a little bridge there. So I've got to correct that. I'll use some wick and pull that off and get it all completed. And here we go. Okay, so you can see the little 358 now with the fast chip gobbledygook on it. Got that off. Put that on the new boards, and let's see if the blue one works now. Yep, they're all coming in and out. It's kind of hard to see the blue one, but the blue one is every bit as bright and that. So it was the 358. I thought it might have been the transistor, but it was obviously the IC that was damaged when I reversed the polarity. So, all right, thanks. Good luck. Bye.